Jaw muscle exercisers are devices, typically made of silicone or rubber, designed to be bitten down on. These devices provide resistance to the jaw muscles, effectively offering a workout for the area. Put simply, when you chew on them, you are exercising your jaw muscles. These exercises have been heavily marketed with claims of improving various aspects, enhancing facial appearance, facial symmetry, and the jawline, making the face appear more masculine and appealing, strengthening the jaw muscles, improving facial symmetry, alleviating temporomandibular joint, TMJ, pain. So, what do studies tell us about these claims? One study found that an 8-week regimen using a jaw exerciser improved maximum bite force and endurance. However, these improvements were temporary, vanishing quickly once participants stopped using the device. Another research indicated that jaw exercisers can effectively reduce TMJ pain and symptoms. Moreover, 20 weeks of consistent use of a jaw exerciser was shown to enhance upper and lower cheek fullness, giving participants a more youthful appearance. Further, an 8-week routine with this device significantly improved jawline definition and facial symmetry. A 2015 study, published in JAMA Facial Plastic Surgery, concluded that a 20-week period using the device markedly improved facial appearance, as determined by independent observers. In most of these studies, participants typically used the device for about 20 to 30 minutes daily. However, there are concerns and limitations to consider. The long-term safety and efficacy of jaw exercisers are yet to be definitively established. While they are generally considered safe for most users, those with pre-existing dental or jaw conditions are advised against using them. Potential risks associated with these exercises include discomfort and injury. Starting with a gentle resistance and gradually increasing is vital. Yet, some users might still experience jaw discomfort, potential tooth damage, or injuries from excessive use. Effect on aesthetics. While these devices indeed strengthen the jaw muscles, they cannot modify the face's underlying bone structure. Therefore, they aren't a miracle cure for facial enhancements. Oral health concerns. Cleanliness is paramount when using any oral appliance. Devices that aren't cleaned properly can become breeding grounds for bacteria, potentially posing a threat to oral health. This concern, though not explicitly from a study, remains vital for users to bear in mind.